Hello everyone, welcome to Veracitiz Tips and Tricks series. We are going to explore dynamic picklists and how dynamic picklists can be useful for resource allocation through IBM Planning Analytics. Resource allocation is a process of planning, managing, and assigning resources in a form that helps to reach your organization's strategic goals. It can make a project manager's work effective and significant. Even though it sounds simple, it is vital in delivering projects efficiently. Using something as simple as dynamic picklist in resource allocation can be very helpful in improving time management, predict the future project plan, strategic planning, manage team workload, maintain an accurate time log. Let's understand better through an example of hospitals, where they need doctors available 24/7 across different shifts and departments. Let's click Get Started. A hospital has 3 shifts and has 3 departments: emergency, consultation, and others for their doctors to work on a weekly basis. The hospital management wants to plan workload weekly between doctors accurately so there is no chance of wasting time and money and have more efficient planning. You can see the name of all doctors appear in all 3 departments at first, but then when you select a Cristiano in the emergency department, his Cristiano disappears from the remaining 2 departments, and similarly if you select a Sergio in the consultation, you can see only the remaining available doctors for other departments. You can plan the same way for the remaining 2 shifts and across all other days. Now let's see how this is achieved in IBM Planning Analytics. First, you need to add your resources. You can add manually, or if you have a large number of resources, you can drag and drop a list of names as a CSV file and click Update Resource button to add your resources. After that, create a lead-level dynamic subset of resources dimension and add that rule to the Emergency Department of Resource Allocation Picklist cube. After, create a flag cube that references the selected value in the Emergency Department. Afterward, create a dynamic subset for the Consultation Department. This subset is created using reference from the flag cube about the Emergency Department. Similarly, create a subset for other departments using reference from the flag cube about the Emergency and Consultation Departments. The MDX query for the subsets is as follows. You can create dynamic subsets directly from clicking the Create Subset button. After subsets are created, applying the rules to consultation and other departments of resource allocation Picklist cube, and finally you can even plan using different scenarios for more efficient planning. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching this tips and tricks video. For any future information, please connect with us on our website www.veracitiz.com.